In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield washer pump on this BMW 328i. This is going to be located inside the inner fender well. Let's get into it. Using a 17mm socket, we want to take these lug bolts out. And before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling, take this last one off, grab the wheel, and pull it off. Now I'm going to take the inner fender well out, use a 8mm socket, take this bolt out, and this one. And on the other side, 8mm socket, take that out. And switching to a 10mm socket, we're going to take this nut off. Take that out. And there's some push pins right here. I'm going to pop those out. Just use a trim tool. Might need a small pick to push the center out, just so it comes out easier. Pop that out. There should be another one at the base. And remove this screw, 8mm socket. It's loose. Underneath, we're going to take these screws out, use a 8mm socket. And right here, there's a nut. I'm going to use a 10mm socket for that. Take that nut off. You can grab this panel, pull it down, out of the way. Back here, there should be a nut. Use a 10mm socket, take that off. This vehicle doesn't have that. Just pull down the inner fender well. Get it past this stud. And it comes right out. Now with a drain bucket underneath, we can pop this hose off. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pop the clip off. Might lose a little bit of washer fluid, depending on how full your system is. Pop that off. Now this wire is secured with some retainers. We're just going to pop these out. Just use a trim tool. Work this back and forth. Pop those out. There's another one here. Pop that out. Pull that wire to the side. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to take this bolt out. Take that out. Grab the reservoir. Just pull it down with some more fluid coming out. Just let that drain. We're going to just slide the reservoir forward. Tip it down. Pull it out. Disconnect the connector for the level sensor. Just push down on the tab. Slide that connector off. And there's a retainer right there. Using a trim tool, just pop this out. Disconnect the pump. Push down on the button. Pop that connector off. Pop the hose off. You just twist that back and forth. Just pull. And pull the pump out. Just grab the pump. And it slides right out. Take the pump. Slide the pump into the grommet. Just like that. And then push it back in. Connect the connector for the pump. Connect the hose. It goes right there. Just want to push that in place. Connect the connector for the level. And take the wire for the retainer. Push that on. You can push this in place. The wires go around. Push it in. There we go. And get the screws started. And snug it down. Now take the wiring harness and push the retainers in. Secure those down. Now this is for the filler tube as well. Now take the tube, line that up, lock it down. Now take the inner fender well, get this lined up. That's good underneath. Get this lined up. Clipped in. All right, that looks good. If you have that plastic nut, you want to put that on. It was missing on this vehicle. And take this shield. This is going to go up here. Take that nut. Get that started. Snug that down. And the screws underneath here. Get those started and tighten those down. One more right there. Now I'll get the push pins in, snap those in place. Those down. Now put these screws in, snug that down, and the plastic nut, get that on, snug that down, and up top, snug it down. And now the screws on this side, get that one started first just so I can line this one up. And snug those down. Now you want to fill your washer fluid. Use the correct type of washer fluid that you like. And just fill it up. Once it's full, push the cap back down. Now take the wheel, line it up. Get that started. And put the other lug bolts in. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque these lug bolts to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. Good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.